Hello everyone, my name is Ernesto Zanabria. In this video, I'm going to show you my final project from the CS50 Introduction to Databases with SQL. So I grabbed this file and downloaded from the link that was provided on the cs50.dev link. So I grabbed that and took me to the GitHub application, and I was able to download the file, which is here. So after this video, I'm just gonna um, put it here, the URL. So let's go ahead and check on this. So I followed the instructions and answered the questions as well, as you can see here. Um, so it took a little longer, but so yes, let me just open this the project. So as you can see, I had to go to the directory of the project, and I have to um, open uh, I have to run the SQL file. And also, if you can see here, I created a record um, database, which this is for the patient's records, medications that I created. As you can, or you may know how to create this, which is like, this is just an example. So to create a database is just SQL i3, and then you can put a name. Let's put records. Or we can just use a different name. Let's put patient DB, and then this will create a database. So when you click enter, it will ask you, are you sure you want to create patient's database? Since I already have the database, so I don't need to. So I'm just gonna put no. So now I'm just gonna go to that file or the database. SQLite 3 records. Let me just open that database, and here we are. So on my schema, I created tables. I don't know why is this line here. So on my schema, I created tables. One was for the patient, the other one was for the pharmacy, medications, insurance, and the index as well. So then on the queries, just to make a run. Let's say if you want to retrieve patient's information from the patient's table, I just gotta grab this here, just copy and then paste it here, which is shift CRL and V, or CTRL and V, and then it will show you all the patient information. And also, so when you create the schema, or when you create the tables and the database, you will be able to see this as well. And here are the tables. Insurance table, which has some information, then medications table as well, some information, patients information as well, this table, pharmacy. So it was really interesting, the creation of this project. And then let's go back on the queries. So let's say if you want to retrieve the patient's information from the patient's table in alphabetical order. So you just gotta grab this and copy. And let me just clear this, CTRL-L, and then paste this information here. And this will go in alphabetical order. Since you can see here, if we can go back on the breakers here, and we'll see the patient's table is now in alphabetical order. So just by doing that, everything will be in alphabetical order, only the first name as mentioned here. All right, so let's see if you want to retrieve the patient's date of birth between the years 1970 and 1980. We just gotta grab this query. Let's copy, clear this one, and then it will show you the date of birth of between 1970 and 1980, which is 1970. Well, there's no 1980, but you know it's between the that year. And then let's say if you want to find a patients with high cholesterol medication using a nested query, so this will be this query. You just gotta copy on this, clear that one, and then boom. So the name of the medication is here, and the patient, which I can add the patient's name, who is taking it, but we just only need the patient's medication's name. That's all we need. And also we can join these tables um, to get the first name in alphabetical order. So we just grab this query, clear, and we're just getting from the patient's table to join the pharmacy. So we're getting this information from the pharmacy. Space this, and boom, here we are in alphabetical order. And then also if we wanna show the insurance information using join as well in alphabetical order. So we're just gonna grab this information from these tables. Patient's first name, patient's last name, and then the insurance from the insurance table and join the patient's table. So here we are. And then copy the query and then paste in here, and here we are, the insurance information here in alphabetical order, first name, last name, and the insurance. And as mentioned, just to create these tables, I just have to insert into the table, then the ID, first name, last name, date of birth, address, phone, insurance, and then the values as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the information of the patients, first name, last name. That's what I did on the pharmacy table as well, medications and insurance. And that's how I created my table. The project. Um, the table as well. So yes, that's how my project went to. I explained everything here, and so yes, and then I'm gonna copy the URL and upload the video here. Well, that's all. Thank you. Have a great day.